Faustino Bojie de Guzman de Thru, born August 31st, 1961, is a Filipino politician who has served as the 29th Speaker of the House of Representatives of the Philippines since 2025. A member of President Bongbong Marcos's Partido Federal NG Pilipinas, he has served as a representative for Isabella's 6th District since 2025. He previously served as the 32nd governor of Isabela from 2010 to 2019 and as vice governor from 2019 to 2025 under Governor Rodolfo Albano III. He also represented Isabela's 3rd district from 2001 to 2010 and served in various barangay-level positions in Cauayan, Isabela from 1980 to 1986 and from 1989 to 1992 as Vice Mayor of Cauayan in 1992, and as Mayor of Cauayan from 1992 to 2001. He is the son of former Isabela Governor Faustino de by his second wife, Natividad de Guzman. He took up Bachelor of Arts in Economics at the University of Santo Tomas. He entered politics in 1980 as the Kabatong Barangay Chairman of Barangay District 1 in Cauayan, Isabela, and the Action Officer of the Kabatong Barangay for Region 2. He later became an ex officio barangay councilor of the barangay in 1982. He was removed from his positions following the People Power Revolution in 1986. In 1989, he was elected as the barangay captain of Barangay District 1, Cauayan, and was later named director of the Kapisanan NGMGA Barangay NG Pilipinas, present-day president of the Association of Barangay Captains. The latter earned him an ex officio seat on the Cauayan Municipal Council and eventually on the Isabela Provincial Board to represent the sector. On January 20th, 1992, he was appointed Vice Mayor of Cauayan, Isabela, succeeding Lencio Dalin, who had resigned 5 days prior. Just 2 months later, on March 18th, 1992, he was elevated to Mayor of Cauayan, succeeding his brother Benjamin D., who resigned to run for governor of Isabela. He was later elected to a full term as mayor later that May, serving 3 more consecutive terms ending in 2001. During his final term, Cauayan was converted into a city on March 30th, 2001, making him its first city mayor. He first entered the House of Representatives in 2001, being elected to represent Isabela's 3rd district, succeeding Raymond Reyes. He was accused of committing electoral fraud by his rival, Grace Padaca, but was cleared by the House Electoral Tribunal in 2003. He held that seat until 2010, when he was term limited and ran for governor of Isabela. Is married to Marian Arcega? Their son, Faustino V., has served as the mayor of Icague since 2025 and previously as representative of Isabela's 6th district from 2019 to 2025. Another son, Francis Faustino, has served as the vice governor of Isabela since 2025. Isabela 6th District Representative Faustino Bojie de Guzman de thru has assumed the speakership of the House of Representatives and replaced Lady 1st District Representative Martin Romualdez as the lower chamber's top leader. With Romualdez's resignation as House Speaker amid corruption allegations, his election is seen as a strategic move to regain public trust in the institution during a time of political turmoil. He hopes to clean the House of the corruption allegations plaguing the chamber amid flood control investigations and the 2025 budget scandal. The 64-year-old Bojie D, a member of the influential political family of Isabela, is a party mate of President Ferdinand and Bongbong Marcos Jr. in Partido Federal ng Pilipinas PFP. With Speaker Martin Romualdez having stepped down on Wednesday, September 17th, Faustino Bojie de thru, who served as his deputy, has emerged as successor. But what do we know about Bojie? Even before Romualdez finalized his decision to resign, whispers of his exit already filled the halls of Congress, with Bojie's name emerging as a potential successor. He ran under Partido Federal ng Pilipinas PFP, the political party chaired by President Ferdinand and Bongbong Marcos Jr. himself. Over the years, the D clan has shifted political allegiances. They supported Marcos Sr. during his administration, then the Aquinos after his ouster, and later the Marcoses' return to power. As governor, Bojie reportedly guaranteed the Marcoses a solid north in Isabela during Marcos Jr.'s 2016 vice presidential run. Allegations of corruption. In 2020, defaced allegations related to an anomalous rehabilitation project for a road in Isabela, which were filed by a political rival. These controversies have shadowed his political career but have not significantly hindered his rise to power. Bojie D's political journey reflects a blend of long-standing family influence and personal ambition within the Philippine political landscape. His recent ascension to the speakership marks a significant moment in his career and the ongoing dynamics within the House of Representatives. As he takes on this leadership role, his actions and policies will be closely watched amid the backdrop of political challenges and public scrutiny. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.